Can you store copper sulfate solution in a zinc container? The answer is no. Copper sulfate solution cannot be stored in a zinc container because zinc is more reactive than copper. When a zinc container comes into contact with the copper sulfate solution, zinc undergoes oxidation and forms zinc 2 plus ions by releasing 2 electrons. So zinc gives zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. The released electrons are accepted by copper 2 plus ions present in the copper sulfate solution. Therefore, copper 2 plus ions are reduced to copper metal and get deposited on the surface of the zinc container. So copper 2 plus 2 electrons gives copper. Hence, zinc container gradually dissolves due to the formation of zinc 2 plus ions while copper gets deposited on its surface. The overall reaction is zinc plus copper 2 plus gives zinc 2 plus copper. Therefore, a copper sulfate solution should not be stored in a zinc container because zinc container undergoes corrosion. The same answer can be explained by standard reduction potential also. Zinc standard reduction potential is minus 0.76 voltage. Its copper value is 0.34 voltage. Since the reduction potential of zinc is negative, it undergoes oxidation, that is, it loses electrons. Similarly, for copper, it is positive value indicates it undergoes reduction easily. Therefore, the following reaction occur. Oxidation at the zinc surface is zinc gives zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. Reduction of copper ion is copper 2 plus 2 electrons gives copper. The overall reaction is zinc plus copper 2 plus gives zinc 2 plus copper. The standard reduction potential for this reaction is E naught cells equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, that is E naught right minus E naught left. Substituting this reduction potential here E naught R value is 0.34 voltage, E naught left value is minus 0.76 voltage. Substituting these values in this equation and simplified, we get 1.10 voltage. Since the value of E naught cell is positive, the reaction is spontaneous. As a result, zinc dissolves into a solution as zinc 2 plus ions and copper gets deposited on the zinc container. Therefore, copper sulfate solution cannot be stored in a zinc container because zinc container undergoes corrosion.